crypto pig locked in this magical universe, and I'm gonna huff, and I'm gonna puff, and I'm gonna blow the criminal gangster cartel out of the water that has locked me in here and fleece heisted and shisted you and walked away with all the fucking money. And we're gonna take them out one step at a time as I figure out how to get out of this vortex of hell. Old Vincenzo here to remind you to like, subscribe, and share. That's very important. Hit that bell notification like you see right there above to get all the latest breaking news and coin updates right here first. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing in a couple of coins that we haven't got a chance to get to yet here. So we're going to look at them briefly before my bowling meeting. You can see XLM ALGO did bounce off that 10-cent underneath support. And if we're looking at current support resistances, your major upper resistance is the 12 cents, but you got your short-term upper resistance right in here, the thick of the moving averages. And if you can't get above these, it would like you to press you back down to underneath support. And then you'd have to watch out here at that 10 3/4 cent level. But currently we're trying to bust to the upside. But tomorrow, the old stock rule is it's reversal Tuesdays. After a power move today, reversal Tuesday would say the Bitcoin price, the Ethereum, the XLM, and the rest of the crypto sphere has a down day tomorrow. So old Vincenzo is going to be watching out for that with you. And we got a little algo love here. Algo's had a very nice recovery off of its lower support just above the last line of defense to the shithouse. And what we're going to watch out for in the micro time frame is coming on up here to the short-term upper resistance, which we got to make this a beautiful blue color up here. Make this blue so that way we can see it. Is your 35 cents is major upper resistance. But in the hour time frame, which you guys and my swing traders and my day traders need to be looking out for, is right here at the 200-day moving average. This is your major short-term resistance zone. And if you can't get on top of it and trade up and breach this old area over here, you're going to get forced back down to this local double bottom and then likely down here on a reversal Tuesday at the 24 cents. So if you want to stay bullish in algo, you got to stay above, get above this 200-day moving average and make a run on up here into this 36-cent level. Like, subscribe, and share. I got to run into this bowling alley. We'll give you some more updates a little bit later on. And as we look at the Shiba coin, people like the Shiba coin. The Shiba coin real quick before we go. God, these fucking fuckers on here that always post this nonsense. You can see Shiba coin is up here bouncing off of the last line of defense to the shithouse right at the top part of it. So that's bullish when it gets in there. You can see we've already made it one time. And notice how when we're underneath it, it acts as resistance, support down here, resistance, a whole slew of resistance, and finally a breakout. Now what you want to look for here to confirm an actual breakout of that area is you have to hold this area right here. But what to me this looks like is you come up, now you have another little jagged up right here, right up into the short-term moving averages in the 4-hour time frame, get you something like that, right? And then you come all the way back down, fail to hold the top part of this, and you work your way down towards the bottom part of the shithouse again. So in Shiba coin, this is a critical area that you need to hold at the top part of the orange support zone, just about 11.94 cents ish. If we zoom in here and take a quick peek at it in a closer up fashion, you can see how we just nipped into there and nibbled, and then we jump back out of it. And what you need to do is you need to get some volume, which you don't have. The volume is still declining, right? You need to get up into here and get over that moving average, this 200-day especially, and then get up near this major upper resistance. But what I fear it might do is something like that, comes back down and then flushes down to the south part of this last line of defense, down all the way down there at about the 0.748 level, a bunch of 0.748. We'll keep an eye on it for you. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.